You might be surprised to learn that you already have something that you could use as a... I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn carousel posts to get more clients from LinkedIn. Hi, I'm Chris, and if you're an entrepreneur or solopreneur, you know that LinkedIn is the place to find leads, prospects, and clients. But what you might not know is that there is a special feature inside of LinkedIn posts called LinkedIn carousel posts that can help you get more leads faster and turn those leads into clients. And this is a full-on training video. You're going to look over my shoulder as I create from start to finish a LinkedIn carousel post that will drive leads to my business. Over the last 21 years, I've taught thousands of entrepreneurs and solopreneurs how to wildly grow their businesses, and LinkedIn carousel posts are one of those things that I want you to use to your advantage. So we're going to jump inside my computer so that you can watch over my shoulder as I create one of these from start to finish. Let's get to work. We're in my computer and I'm inside of Keynote right here, where I've created a very simple 5-slide presentation on how to get clients from LinkedIn. I titled it How to Use LinkedIn to Get Clients. You can see here I've just got some intro text, and then I go through 4 optimization steps on how to get clients from LinkedIn: optimizing your profile, optimizing your connection, optimizing your content, optimizing your visibility. And then I have a last slide that has a call to action, which is to get on my calendar to learn more from 27 additional growth strategies that I have. So next thing we're going to do, export that to PDF, go through it, take a look at each slide. Everything looks good. Not sure I like that red call to action right here that has my calendar link, which is prouty.me, but we'll see how that goes. Over into LinkedIn, start a new post. This is where I want to add some copy to encourage people to take a look through the slides. I don't want to put anything terribly long here, so a nice title, a quick description, and then some hashtags, which are going to help extend my reach just a little bit. I'm going to use some of the LinkedIn suggested ones and then use some of my own. Then when I am ready to insert the slideshow, I'm going to go here to add a document, click, and that is going to allow me to browse on my computer and upload that. Once I have that uploaded, click done. That's going to remind me that I didn't put in a title, so I'm going to go back here and just type in that title. Once I have that typed in, back down to the done button, and that's going to give me a preview once it loads right there. And so now I'm just going to go through these slides to make sure everything looks good. So far so good. And then we get to the last one. I really don't like that red, so I'm going to delete this upload and I'm going to go back over into Keynote, change that red text to white, go back over here and add a document and upload the new PDF with the white call to action on my last slide. That might happen to you as well. That's why it's important to look through these things as you do it. So here we go. And when I am ready to commit this and put it live on LinkedIn, I'm just going to click the post button. A couple of text decorations here just to stop people's eyes in the scroll. Click post, and the carousel post is now live on LinkedIn. I have the chance to go through it. I put some visual cues on my slides where people can go to full screen. That's down here in the lower right corner of the slide presentation. Click on that and the presentation comes up to full screen. So I probably maxed out the amount of text I can put on these slides. Full screen definitely works better. Top right is a download button if anybody wants to download this. Last step, head over to your profile and go down to your featured section, and let's just add this to your featured section so that anybody who visits your profile has the chance to see it in the future. Coming up, I'm going to show you how to get the biggest bang for your buck with LinkedIn carousel posts by revealing for you all of the different content types that you can put into these carousel posts. Some of these are going to surprise you. Let me ask you this, and I really want you to think about this. Do you have a slide presentation or a PDF right now that you could share as a LinkedIn carousel post? You might be surprised to learn that you already have something that you could use as a LinkedIn carousel post. Think about it. Do you have a PDF or a slide presentation that you could use right now? There are so many great things we can share with LinkedIn carousel posts, things like stats or figures or data. You can share business lessons that your prospects can start using right away, step-by-step instructions on how to do something simple so that your prospects get an immediate result. You could share a lead magnet through a LinkedIn carousel post. You could share slides from an event that you presented at. You could share a list of information. You could promote content, or you could promote an offer that you have. This video is part of a series about about how to attract clients with content marketing. A link to that series is right here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, here's a link so that you get an alert every time I create a new video about growing your business. Thanks for being with me here today. I'll see you in the very next training.